Hi guys, Chris at Gtec here. Today a quick video about our latest addition into enclosure range, this wall mountable drop front enclosure. Wall mountable at desired height with dual metal lock for extra safety. We've added high voltage sticker just as an extra disguise. Quick opening action from those locks to reveal what's inside. Metal lines will allow to easy adjust the height of opening and holding of the lid. Enclosure is equipped with 5-way power and 2 USB surge protected PDA outlets. Also is equipped with 2 fans powered by USB. You can power those fans with USB splitter that comes in a pack. Enclosure can house a monitor up to 24-inch using VESA wall brackets provided in the pack. Front panel will accommodate any recorder up to 32 channel with a 19-inch and 2U size. The side and top brackets are adjustable to fit even the smallest 4-channel recorders. Installation of the enclosure couldn't be any easier than using, included in the box, drill template, as well as many knock-on points for cabling to ensure neat installation. If you'd like more information about the product, prices and more detailed spec sheets, visit our website using the link below or give us a call or contact us using the details provided. See you soon, Chris out.